Hello everyone. Physics is never a difficult subject for a student who is interested, provided he or she has a clear and strong physics teacher. So here I am, Mr. Dharanidhar, your favorite physics teacher in your favorite YouTube channel, Bhautics. So today I brought a question to you, an MCQ, which was asked in the previous year question papers. What is it is, at what distance from a convex lens should an object be placed to get an image of same size as that of the object on a screen? Points to be observed here is image of same size, and the image is to be obtained on a screen. Which image can be obtained on screen? Only real images can be obtained on screen. So they are saying that image should be a real image and image should be same size. So a convex lens will create image of same size only when the object was placed at 2f1, correct? So the correct answer will be twice the focal length of the lens. This is the correct answer. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.